asking us how many cups are in 1/2 of a gallon. Cups in 1/2 of a gallon. So what we're doing here is we're just simply using some measurements and some unit analysis. So we can look at cups and gallons here, and we're going to recognize that we're working in the imperial system. And we're also measuring our volume here. So what we're going to have to know is we're going to have to actually memorize some stuff here. We're going to have to memorize a table for our commonly used conversions between gallon and between units of volume here in the imperial system. So what we can do first is we can write out our conversions here. So we know that 1 gallon is going to equal 4 quarts. 1 quart is going to equal 2 pints. 1 pint equals 2 cups. So what we have here is we want to convert from gallon, we have 1 gallon, or sorry, 1/2 a gallon to cups, right? So from, highlight this here, from gallon, so this is gallon, all the way down to cups here. So what we're going to have to use is we're going to have to use some unit analysis. So I'm going to start off with 1/2 a gallon. So I can write down 1/2 a gallon. I'm going to multiply that by, I know that 1 gallon here equals 4 quarts, right? So I can multiply these gallons by, I know that in 1 gallon I have 4 quarts. So 4 quarts in 1 gallon. Afterwards, I know that I have 2 pints in 1 quart, right? So I can multiply this again by, I have 2 pints in 1 quart. And then in 1 pint, I have 2 cups, right? So I can say that I have 2 cups in 1 pint. So what we have here now is our gallons are going to cancel out, the units for gallons. Our quarts are also going to cancel out here. And our pints are going to cancel out. So what we're left here is we're left here with cups, which is what we want, right? We want to find out how many cups are in 1/2 a gallon. So we're simply just doing this operation here. We have 1/2 times 4 times 2 times 2. And this will give us how many cups are left here. So 1/2 times 4 is 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 here is 4. And then 4 times 2 here is 8. So therefore, there are 8 cups. So 8 cups in 1/2 a gallon. So this here is our solution. And as you can see, this solution is correct. We have 1/2 times 4 quarts over gallon times 2 pints over quarts times 2 cups over a pint. And this is actually the greatest solution because this here is a very good example of unit analysis, which is going to equal 8 cups. Solution here is correct.